There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Challenger SXT Blacktop in granite. With automatic projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, sport suspension, black rear spoiler, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7705.